To a narcissist, narcissism doesn't feel like a problem. It often feels like superiority. They believe they are most special, talented, or intelligent than others and often feel entitled to admiration or success. Second, fragile confidence. Though they project high self esteem, it's often built on shaky ground. Criticism or failure feels devastating and can trigger rage or withdrawal. Third is constant comparison. They may feel obsessed with being the best, richer, more attractive, more powerful, yet never truly satisfied. Fourth is emotional emptiness. They might feel a lack of genuine connection or meaning even when surrounded by people. It's a lonely place internally. So, blame and shame, they keep doing that.